Even Lenny and Georgia won't touch it. We need to go get some real dog food for them.
Wait, who?
Lenny and Georgia? That's what I named the new dogs.
Oh, no naming them. If you name them, you're gonna get attached.
Andy, look at her. Tell me she's not a Georgia.
Bruce, I'm not kidding, okay? I'm glad that Friday's getting along well with dog number 1 and dog number 2, but we're barely keeping our dog safe. I mean, do you know what happens if we get caught in here? Trespassing, breaking and entering. You heard what Bernie said. They'd split us up and ship us off. Are you even listening?
So I'll stay here and keep them quiet while you go out and get some real food. Okay?
Okay, fine. But just for now. And I'll be back. Stay, Friday. Stay, Georgia. You better keep them quiet.